Hello everyone, it's Dynamic CB here. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Temu package. Now, I won some stuff on Temu, and yeah, it's just coming to my house, so we're going to see what we got. So yeah, let's get into this. The packaging looks kind of cool, a little bit weird looking, but yeah. Ugh. It looks like we got quite a lot of stuff. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Okay, so I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna open it and see what it is. Man, the freaking hard one. Okay. Oh, and there's more wrapping. Damn, they've wrapped this quite well. Jeez. Ugh. Just trying to bite this open. Anyway, actually, I'll unbox it after. Okay. So, we have this little band. As you can see, it says Joshua 1 verse 9. And then it has the be strong and courageous, you know, that be strong and courageous, do not be afraid, do not be dismayed, for your God is with you wherever you go. That's a sick little band, I'm putting that on. Okay. Alright. No, I kind of turned the other way. We got some stickers, open these. Minecraft. Ooh. So it looks like a bunch of Minecraft stickers. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright. What are these stickers? We got some anime stickers. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Those are the Minecraft ones. We got some even more stickers. Got Simpsons and Rick and Morty, right there. Sorry about that voice crack. Yeah, it's got some pretty cool stickers. And now this is the best part, the smartwatch. Ooh, this looks beautiful. Look at that. Let's take that off. Woohoo, that looks beautiful. Okay. We got the charger. And that's the charger. What else is in here? Oh, the instruction manual. Sweet, so that's a cool looking watch. Look at that. And I got that for free. That was, the original price was like, it was kind of discounted, so it was like $24, right? The original price was like $75, so that's pretty good. That's pretty cool. What else is there? Alright, we have this thing still to unbox. And then we got one more thing as well. Oh, mate. And it looks like there's another box. Jeez, mate. Man, this is honestly, yeah, Temu is actually a pretty cool shopping site. I don't know how long that watch will last, but it looks sick, bro. Alright, so oh mate. Jeez, mate. What if I got to open this with? Yeah, and I'll be right back. Alright, so got some scissors that I'll chop this up open with. Yeah, that's the box. Oh. Alright. Ooh. It's a little Pop Bart Simpson figurine. That is cool. That came in pretty good condition. Kinda good. Not too bad. We've got one more thing here. So okay. I'm gonna take this hoodie off. Sheesh, okay. God is good all the time. Look at that. So yeah, that's the end of this unboxing. I'll see you in the next one.